So I have a rat, and I'm looking for it, but I can't seem to find it. I hear it, but when I open the cupboard, the noise goes away. I'm going to try... Oh, what about... No. I heard it. Nothing? Weird. What about... Now. No. Well.
You will get caught. By me.
Wait a minute. It's back at it again. Where is it? Where is it? Where could it be? Maybe under the car? I'm getting closer. It's coming after me. I'll tell you, having to deal with this rat, or multiple rats, which is a scary thought, is changing my whole life. It's disrupting my patterns. It's crazy. I don't feel like myself anymore. Folks, let me tell you, I'm trying everything to get rid of this rat. Now, this kind of thing worked in that Scooby-Doo, you know. Maybe I gotta be like Zoinks, Scoob. I don't know. Did it help? I don't know. I don't think it got rid of the rats, but at least it's some much needed cardio. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, enough of the hall running. I just gotta go outside. I just gotta get on with my life. This is crazy. I got stuff to do. Let's get in the garage now. It's time to go. Oh, no, close that door, man. Wait a minute. I'm a guy. I can handle this. No, maybe not. Let's forget. No, I'm going in no matter what. I got pride. Cleaning out the garage. Do you see it? Oh, yuck. It's time to get some bait. Good thing I'm a master at baiting. I got myself a plan, got a trap, here it is. I put American cheese on the trap because it's an American rat, and I think that's just what we're gonna go all American. USA! Hey, here it comes. Oh, it's going for it, it's going for it, it's going for it.
I don't feel like myself anymore.